I'm going to show you how to change these spark plugs on this 2.0. Very easy thanks to Volkswagen. You don't even have to remove the engine cover. Stick to the end and I'll have the special tool for you to make it easy. Always make sure the engine is cool. Just easy to take out. Threads won't expand. Safe practice. Take the negative terminal off. I like to just locate cylinder number one. If no one knows what cylinder number one is, it's the far left one. And what I like to do is pull on the wire. Let me see. To find it on the distributor, so pulling, I know that wire right here is cylinder one, so just for safe practice, little tip, I'll write it down just so you don't get confused when you take them off in the future. Alright. Here's my little special removing tool for the spark plugs. Little boot remover. Take it out safely instead of worrying about damaging these. Locks right in. Pull. That's simple. Take your spark plug socket. Remove the spark plug. Use compressed air. Keep the area clean. Now if you want to inspect them, you could always inspect them. But yeah, put the new spark plug in. Use the boot tool. Just that simple. Nice and tight. And you do it for every spark plug. There's number 2. The boot does reach in there. You don't even have to remove that plug. I did the first time. I forgot to put it on, back on, and started the car and had to check engine light, but so it's better not to. Here's number 3. Here's number 4. And like I said, I'll follow it. Here it is, and I'll mark number 4. I like to just do things like this to keep it safe. I even put little tags to remind me what the plug is for. So yeah, if you want to go to number 2, see if I can get in there from the single. Well, I know I can get in there. Turn it, it locks in. Get that little lock. There we go. Give it a nice little tug, don't be afraid. Boom. And then just slide it out. Put it back on. Turn and get it out. Sorry, this is hard to do with one hand. But yeah, that's it. It's that simple. I'll leave a link of the spark plugs and the tool I use in the description. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. More to come.